Welcome to What the Fuck is in the Box, the show where I usually show you what comes in the box. But today I don't have a box, I just have announcements. So listen up. We've taken a step back on the show and decided to kind of slow down the rotation of the show right now, mostly because, as you guys are well aware, COVID's going on in the world. And right now we're seeing that manufacturers are having issues with inventory. As they continue to have issues with inventory, it doesn't seem right to ask for inventory to give away for free right now. So we have slowed down that rotation a little bit. We think it's the right thing to do right now. We also have some new shows coming out, and we're going to take some time in developing those shows as well as some enhancements to this show. So ultimately, the What the Fuck is in the Box show is going to come out every other week for the foreseeable future. Once we get everything back in control, hopefully the world gets everything back in control, we can get back out there and go back to every week. We're still excited to bring you guys everything. We appreciate all the support you guys give us. I think at the end of the day, we're all extremely excited about where this show has gone and where it continues to grow. And we'll be excited to come back to you guys in the next couple of weeks. We've got some shows recorded. We'll have some more shows recorded coming to you guys. And we're very excited to get back out in front of you. We got some fun stuff to go over. So please stay tuned. There'll be a new episode next week. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for liking. We really appreciate it. We're going to continue to stay out in front of this and stay happy and healthy and safe. Thank you guys, and we'll see you next time.